Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your contacts on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any inquiries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app. Once you go there, just log in with your account and then you'll be in this particular platform. Now, what you need to do is to add a contact of yours. There is no such place, but what you can do is you can add your contact on your bio. So just go on your top right corner to your profile and go to complete your profile. And over here, on your bio you can add your contacts, and just save it, and that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.